Dino Wesson back in here flexing. I got another sneaker count for y'all. Like I said, I am Dino Wesson, and this is my channel. I do sneaker unboxings, clothing reviews. I do certain fits with certain kicks, and I'll put that up on here, and so much more. And I have so much more on the way. If you hit the notification bell every time I put a video out, you will get a notification. Feedback is welcome. I will respond to whatever questions I have. If anything, just message me, like, comment, share. You can do it. I'm here for it. All right. Without further interruption, let's move into the shoe. Bam. I see what this is. Puma Thunder Spectra. All right. Here we go. All right, y'all. This is one of my first dad shoes, my dad style shoes. I have another one. I have another pair for the Yeezys, but I don't wear it. It's not even my size. This one is something that really stuck out to me, and I had to cop it. So let's get into this shoe. Let's do a nice detail review. The basis of the upper is this mesh material that you see on this front panel of the shoe. It is black mesh that moves up to the tongue. It's all the way up to the tongue. Up here is a soft black leather that is right here. Overlay. It's also here. It moves along the toe box of the shoe. It wraps around to the side. And also a matte version of it on the Puma logo on this lateral side. All right, you see the teal Puma logo on the tongue with those rope laces sitting on top of it. You have this red nubuck overlay that sits right in front of it, and you also have that same material but in a green on the back heel tab of the shoe. On top of that is a pull tab with the Puma debossed right there. You see that it's semi-translucent overlay. The midsole support, semi-translucent. You can see straight to it. It's like a ash gray color. This neoprene that sits right under the logo. I think that's one of the hardest additions to the shoe. It's really soft. I like the mix of the materials on the shoe. Everything is contrasted off the black. The midsole is very chunky. It's a very chunky midsole. Has a lot going on. I think that adds to the aesthetic of the shoe. Really chunky midsole. It's flat black color, white, and these teal plastic hints all around the shoe. You see it shining off the light. Amongst the side, it's EV insert. Midsole, bottom, very basic outsole. It's white and black, the Puma right there at the bottom. All right, let's move on to the insole of the shoe. You can see it has Puma on the inside. There's a sock liner, cushioning padding right here. Sock liner. The insert is removable. Puma right there at the bottom as well. I haven't even worn mine yet, but I'm told that the shoe is very comfortable. If you wear your size you normally wear, you should have no problems. Unless you have extremely wide foot, then I'll suggest to go one size up. And pretty much, to me, the shoe's a solid shoe. This is the only one that I wanted to drop my money on, to be honest. The other ones, the other Yeezy ones I got, I couldn't even get my size. these is the ones that when I saw them, I said I have to get them. I didn't catch them on the first time go around, so I waited a little bit and copped them off of StockX. Y'all tell me what y'all think of these shoes. Are y'all copping these? Or y'all dropping these? These ones is hard to me. And yes, this is something I definitely plan on doing a fit for. Try to have that one up as soon as possible. But yeah, to me, it's a definite cop. Like I said, subscribe to this channel if this is the type of content that you like. I love shoes, so whenever I cop, I'm trying to do I'm putting videos up for them. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like always, it's Dino Wesson. Gone.